Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Mastering the Grandeur. Key design ideas of the French Baroque Garden. The French Baroque Garden, epitomized by the legendary gardens of Versailles, is more than a mere landscape. It is a dramatic and symbolic assertion of humanity's power over nature. Born in the 17th century, this style reflects the absolute power of the monarchy and the rational order of the era. Its design principles are calculated to inspire awe and demonstrate total control, creating an outdoor extension of the palace's grandeur. Every element, from the vast vistas to the smallest sculptural detail, is meticulously planned to contribute to a harmonious whole. These gardens are not meant for quiet contemplation of wild beauty, but for impressive strolls and grandiose entertainments. To understand this iconic style, we can break it down into three fundamental design ideas. At the heart of every French Baroque garden lies the uncompromising principle of order, imposed through strict geometry and axial symmetry. The design is always organized around a central axis that extends directly from the heart of the chateau, pulling the viewer's gaze deep into the landscape. This main vista is then flanked by perfectly balanced parterres, groves, and waterways, creating a mirror image on either side. Nature is not allowed to grow freely. Instead, it is trimmed, shaped, and directed into precise geometric forms like cones, cubes, and spheres. This rigid structure serves as a powerful metaphor for the dominance of human reason and the king's authority over the chaotic forces of the natural world. The resulting landscape feels like an outdoor room, an orderly and elegant continuation of the architecture it surrounds. To amplify the feeling of boundless power and scale, French Baroque designers mastered the use of expansive, uninterrupted vistas. The central axis does not simply end, but is designed to seemingly stretch to the horizon, making the garden feel infinite. This illusion of endless space is a direct representation of the monarch's far-reaching influence and dominion. Subsidiary paths, known as allees, crisscross the main axis, creating a grid-like pattern that further organizes the landscape into manageable, yet vast, segments. These long, straight walkways are often lined with meticulously trimmed trees, which act as green walls to frame the views and direct movement. The overall effect is one of breathtaking scale, where visitors are made to feel both impressed and insignificant within the grand engineered tableau. No French Baroque garden is complete without the dynamic spectacle and soothing sounds of water, which were harnessed as a key element of theatrical display. Elaborate fountains, often placed at strategic intersections of the main axis, serve as glittering focal points, their complex engineering a testament to human ingenuity. These water features are frequently adorned with allegorical sculptures depicting gods, goddesses, and mythological themes, linking the patron's power to classical ideals. Beyond fountains, long, calm canals known as pisces d'eau reflect the sky and architecture, doubling the visual impact of the garden and enhancing its luminous quality. The water is never still or naturalistic. It is always controlled, performing in jets, cascades, and serene mirrors for the viewer's delight. This harmonious integration of sculpture and hydraulics transforms the garden into a stage for power, where art and nature combine to create a truly immersive and impressive experience.